How to enable save stories to archive on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable save stories to archive on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram, and here you will find here your profile in the bottom corner. Click on it, and now click these three lines here in the top corner, and then click settings, and here you will find archive, and then click these 3 points in the top corner, and here you will find it, save stories to archive. Now just enable it, click on it, and that's it. Then just go back, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.